Hi friends, welcome to my first blog. I am Kriti. Today I am going to explain Nirala Greenshire project in Noida extension. This project is ready to move. There is 2 BHK, 3 BHK apartments available. This project is surrounded by almost 11 acre area. It has number of apartments available starting from 42 lakhs up to 70 lakhs. If we talk about connectivity to public transport facilities offers easy communication to various important places such as Noida City Center, Sector 52 Metro Station and other IT companies are only few minutes drive away from this society. If we talk about advantages, 30 minutes distance from DND flyover, 20 minutes distance from Sector 18, approx 300 families shifted already there, all side open project, flat size is 950 square feet up to 1860 square feet, number of towers 8, number of units 1160 only. The society also has some eco-friendly initiatives like rainwater harvesting system. Yatharth Hospital is only 5 minutes away from the society. So guys, this is a very beautiful kids play area and central park area. The main entry of Nirala Greenshire is starting from here. Now I am going to show you sample flat of 2 BHK plus study. Area is 1060 square feet. This is double ceiling height reception area. So guys, I entered in the sample flat. Here I am in living dining area and it looks very spacious. The most awaited area, especially for the women's. Now I entered in the first bedroom. Here you are watching now study room. This is the master bedroom with attached toilet. But guys, I want to clearly tell you, we have only limited inventories of 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartment. So grab this opportunity to complete your big dream come true. So this is the Nirala Greenshire overview. If you want to visit Nirala Greenshire or want to get more information related to this project, you can directly contact us. Our contact number is given on the description. Guys, if you like my first blog, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. Thanks for watching my first blog.